So hello and welcome you all to Sail to MDS Dental Academy. I am Dr. Malay Trivedi, pediatric dentist and professor in College of Dental Sciences. So very good news for dental surgeons out there. Already the government of Gujarat, the UPPSC exam has been announced, and one more exam, the UPPSC, is in pipeline. So very good opportunity for all of you. If at all you are planning for government dental surgeon, you can go and crack for this examination. But remember, nowadays the government exam is not simple. It is really work hard, because not only the concerned state but other state also can participate. Let's say in Gujarat around 36 seats are there, around 4,000 forms have been filled, so you have to work hard. Even the same I think has to be happen with the UPPSC also, but here the number of seats are more, which we are going to discuss later in this video. Now in this video I'm going to talk about the exam details, form filling, and also the course details. Last time the UPPSC was conducted in 2023. We have conducted the course and a lot of success we had. Now again we are coming with the same course with many important and added points. So one more important point, please have an authenticate website and the helpline number for your doubts regarding this UPPSC. Don't go for any other blogs, any other thing. The website and helpline number are there on the screen. If anybody want any help, I am always there for you, dear students. Now before you go for the form filling is going to start from the 22nd of December. So you should have all these details which I have given on the screen, mainly your scan photo and signature and printout facility. What all essential qualification required? You must have just a BDS from a recognized university. Age limit is 21 to 40 years. Remember, there is nothing mention of experience or anything, just your BDS should be complete. Remember, the interns are not eligible for the examination. Your BDS degree should be completed. Even MDS students can also apply. Now tentative schedule, they have not mentioned the date, but you can expect in 3 to 4 months. So please, you have to start your preparation right now only. That pattern, as per the last exam we see of 3 conducted exam, it used to be around 150 marks paper. Of that, 120 marks dental exam used to be there and 30 marks GK. And then based on that they conduct interview and the selection is going to happen. Around 157 whooping seats are there, and the pay scale is level 10. So it can range till 1.77 lakh rupees. And you can see 157 posts. This is very big number and very good opportunity. Even if they included the female quota also, so it's a very good opportunity for the female dental surgeons also. So please, dear students, work hard and you grab this opportunity of 157 seats. We have this lecture series and test series for this UPPSC exam. It has been devised in that way only. We have a more than 50 exam, including past papers of UPPSC and other PSC exam. We have micro lectures which are easy to devise. You can open that, you can log in, and whenever you want, you click on the subject and you can access the video. Okay, then we have the more than 100 papers, including on our app also and website also, plus important notes will be provided. Remember, dear students, your course which we are going to provide will be valid till exams. Okay, if anybody want to join, you can WhatsApp me on the number given on the screen. These are just few important points which we are providing for our students. So the dear student, that was there from my side. If anybody want any help, any information regarding the exam preparation, you can let me know. Please, dear students, it's a very important exam. Don't wait that the exam date will come and I will start preparing. Please start from today only, fill the form and go with the preparation. Anybody, any problem in form filling or any doubt is there, my information is there, my contact details are there, my mail ID is there on the screen. Please approach me. Till then, dear students, take care and work hard.